Suppose you are working on a datasheet, and while entering the data, if one column is dependent on the other. For example, if you enter the state in one column and you need to type the name of the city in the next column. However, you need to ensure that if a particular state is selected, then the city must be from the respective state. In such case, you can create dependent drop-down list. First, create the list of data in another sheet. Here, I have created the list of states in the first column in this sheet. Now, name this cell range as state. Next, create the list of cities in these states in separate columns. Once done, name the cell range with the respective states. Next, return to the working sheet and create a list of states using these steps. Then, to create a dependent list, click on Data Validation, select List, and enter this formula. Indirect function returns the reference specified by a text string. For example, the user selects Maharashtra from the state drop-down list. As a result, the cities listed below Maharashtra, that is Mumbai, Pune, Nashik, etc., are populated in the list. Similarly, if you select another state, then the respective cities will be populated. Thank you for watching this video. Do mention the concept that you would like to learn. For any type of training related to advanced Excel, macros, Office 365, Google Workspace, data analytics, you can contact me on the number mentioned. Requesting you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.